Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we are going to make the Japanese Camellia, which is also called as TSUBAKI in Japan. They normally comes in reds, white and pinks. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. First of all, we are going to prepare the flower center. Cut a piece of paper in 4.5 x 15 cm long. We are going to color the tip in yellow. I'm using a marker pen here, but you can also use acrylic instead. Then cut the paper into small fringes. My cuts are about 3 cm long. Give the fringes a little rub. Take out a piece of 18 gauge wire and bend a loop on the top. Add some hot glue and wrap the paper strip into a flower center. Add a generous amount of hot glue at the bottom to retain the shape. Let it cool down completely. Next, petals. We will need 6 petals for each flower head. Today I'm making the camellia in red. For this flower, I've decided to color the petals with some shading. Scrape some black soft pastel. We color from the bottom to the top, then to the side. I'm trying to use the black to give the flower some depth. If you do not have pastel, you can skip this part. Shaping time. Use the tweezers to curl the top of the petals. Expand in the middle, and bend at the bottom for attachment. Then we need to attach the petals about 1 cm above the bottom of the flower center. Balance the first 3 petals. And add the other 3 petals in between the first layer. In order to get a better shape, I've added a drop of UHU glue to attach the 2 layers together. Cut the olive green bottom leaves out. Curl the tip and expand the leaves in the middle. We will need about 5 pieces of them. Add some UHU glue to the individual leaves and place them at the bottom of the flower and covering the hot glue bottom. It should look like this. Now we are going to make the budding flowers. Cut a 24 gauge wire into 7 cm long and bend a loop on the top. Add a hot glue ball on the top and let it cool down. Cut about 5 budding petals and attach to the hot glue ball with some UHU glue. Try to mold the paper to the shape of the hot glue ball. Cut the tip of the budding flower into a round tip Take the remaining black pastel and add it to the bottom of the bud. Add a few bottom leaves. Then we move on to the leaves. If you need a detailed tutorial on leaf making, you can check our leaf making tutorial. Cut the 26 gauge wire into half and attach the half leaves back together. Cut the leaf shape according to the template. Twist the bottom of the leaf to the wire. I have also colored the leaf with some shading. That is also up to you. We can simply shape the leaves by bending. Wrap the stem of the budding flower with some brown paper and the leaves with a green. Then we can wrap and put the branch together with some brown paper. Curl the petal with the end of the paintbrush to loosen up the look of the flower. Shape the branch to get a more natural feeling. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our templates and DIY kits are available on our Etsy store. Check them out. See you guys next week.